falling, soft and slow. A peaceful morning, a gentle glow. Sitting by the window, watching the rain. Lost in thought, feeling no pain. Back home, Freya, a place so sweet, where memories are made complete. Underneath the sky so gray and blue, finding peace, me and you. Paper and pen in my hand, writing down thoughts throughout the land. The rhythm of the rain, a soothing sound, lost in the moment, can't be found. Back home, Freya, a place so sweet, where memories are made complete. Underneath the sky so gray and blue, finding peace, me and you. As the rain continues, I'll stay here, dreaming of the future without fear. Grateful for this moment, so serene. A rainy day at Bangkok, Freya, a peaceful scene. Bangkok, Freya, a place so sweet, where memories are made complete. Underneath the sky so gray and blue, finding peace.